Ever lost your bag or had something valuable go missing while traveling? That sinking feeling at the baggage carousel is unforgettable. It's a moment that can ruin an entire trip. That's why there's one golden rule: I never break valuables, always stay in your carry-on. Today, I'll show you why this rule matters and how to travel stress-free. We'll break down the real risks of checking valuables, and I'll share my top tips for packing smart. Stick around for bonus pro packing tips that will change how you organize your carry-on. Let's get started. Here's the truth that airlines don't want you to know. It's a reality hidden in plain sight, buried within the fine print of your ticket. We're about to pull back the curtain and expose a system that often leaves travelers vulnerable and unprotected. Airlines are not responsible for valuables in checked luggage. This is a critical point that many passengers overlook when entrusting their belongings to the airline's care. Hidden in the fine print, often in language so dense it requires a law degree to decipher, they tell you if your laptop, that essential tool for work or entertainment, camera, capturing precious memories and irreplaceable moments, or jewelry goes missing. Those items of sentimental or monetary value, it's your problem. You're essentially on your own. The airline's responsibility, according to their own terms, is severely limited. Their liability is limited, often to a pittance compared to the actual value of the lost or damaged items, and it rarely covers what matters most to you: the irreplaceable, the essential, the things you rely on. Cash, that emergency fund you set aside; electronics, your lifeline to communication and information; documents, your passport, your identification, your travel visas; medication, those vital prescriptions you need for your health and well-being. None of it is protected under standard airline policies when placed in checked baggage. When you check a bag, you're essentially rolling the dice with your valuables. You're accepting all the risk for your valuables, knowingly or unknowingly. The system is designed to protect the airline's bottom line, not you, the passenger who trusts them with your belongings. So don't gamble with your peace of mind. Your carry-on is your personal safe deposit box in the sky, your mobile vault for the items you can't afford to lose. Only your carry-on gives you real control over the safety and security of your most important possessions. Never let your essentials out of sight. Keep them close, keep them secure, and keep them with you at all times. That's the only way to travel smart, to travel protected, and to travel with confidence. Lost luggage isn't rare, in fact. It's a surprisingly common travel headache. It's an unfortunate reality that many of us will face at some point in our journeys. The sheer volume of bags processed daily by airlines means that mistakes, delays, and even losses are almost inevitable. It happens to millions of bags every year. We're talking about a significant percentage of all checked luggage experiencing some form of mishandling. These aren't just abstract numbers, they represent real people and their belongings, caught in the frustrating web of airline logistics. Mishandled means lost, but it's a broad term encompassing a range of issues. It's the umbrella term airlines use, and it can be quite misleading. Delayed, meaning your bag arrives on a later flight, sometimes days after you do. This can throw a wrench into your plans, especially if you have connecting flights or time-sensitive engagements. Damaged, which can range from minor scuffs to completely broken zippers and crushed contents. The wear and tear of travel can be rough, but sometimes it crosses the line into unacceptable damage, or even stolen. While less common, theft does occur, adding insult to injury when you're already dealing with travel disruptions. It's a violation of trust and can leave you feeling vulnerable. Hundreds of thousands of bags go missing or arrive late every day, creating a logistical nightmare for airlines and a major inconvenience for travelers. The scale of the problem is truly staggering. If your essentials are in that bag, you're in trouble. It's more than just an inconvenience, it can disrupt your entire trip and cause significant stress. Imagine losing your medication, especially if it's a prescription you need daily. This can have serious health consequences and require you to navigate unfamiliar healthcare systems in a foreign place. Keys, leaving you stranded and unable to access your home or vehicle upon your return. The simple act of getting back into your house becomes a major ordeal. Or phone charger, a seemingly small item but essential for staying connected and navigating a new place. A dead phone can quickly turn a manageable situation into a crisis. Suddenly, it's a crisis. What started as a minor travel hiccup has escalated into a major problem, impacting your plans and your peace of mind. That's why you need an essentials kit in your carry-on, a proactive step to mitigate the potential fallout of lost luggage. Think of it as your personal insurance policy against travel disruptions. A change of clothes, enough to get you through a day or two while your bag is located. This can be a lifesaver if you have important meetings or events planned shortly after arrival. Toiletries, ensuring you can maintain basic hygiene and feel fresh even without your checked bag. Travel-sized versions are perfect for saving space and complying with airline regulations. Electronics like your phone and tablet, along with any necessary adapters. These are essential for communication, entertainment, and accessing important travel information. Chargers, because a dead device is practically useless. Don't forget the appropriate cables for all your devices and all medications. Never check essential medications, always keep them with you in your carry-on. This is crucial for your health and well-being. If your checked bag is delayed, you're still ready for anything. You can confidently navigate the first few days of your trip without major disruptions. Don't let a lost bag ruin your trip. A little preparation can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Keep what you can't live without close at hand. Prioritize the items that are essential for your health, comfort, and ability to function. Be prepared for the system to fail. Airlines do their best, but mistakes happen. It's always wise to have a backup plan. With your essentials in your carry-on, a lost bag is just an inconvenience, not a disaster. You've minimized the impact and can focus on enjoying your trip. Take the power back from the luggage lottery. Don't leave your travel experience to chance. Take control by being prepared. Preparation is everything. A well-packed carry-on is your best defense against the unpredictable nature of air travel. Once your bag disappears down the conveyor belt, it's out of your control. Baggage theft is real, especially at busy airports. Thieves target small, high-value items, jewelry, electronics, cash, even medications. Proving theft from a checked bag is nearly impossible. The safest place for your valuables is with you, in your carry-on. You wouldn't leave your wallet on a park bench. Don't hand it to a system you can't watch. Protecting your valuables is your job, not the airlines. Keep them in your sight, always. That's how you stay secure. As you settle into your seat on the plane, ready for takeoff, remember one crucial thing. Once you're airborne, your checked bag is completely inaccessible. It's down in the cargo hold, far beyond your reach, and will remain that way until you land. So, plan accordingly. What if you need medication, something essential to your well-being, or perhaps a charger to keep your devices alive during a long flight? What about a change of clothes mid-flight, especially after a spill or unexpected delay? Too bad if it's all in the hold. You're stuck with what you have, and that can make for a very uncomfortable journey. Delays and layovers happen. They're an unavoidable part of travel. Flights get pushed back, connections are missed, and suddenly you're spending hours in an airport. In these situations, your carry-on is your lifeline. It's your portable survival kit, your source of comfort and convenience. With your essentials at hand, you're comfortable, productive, able to make the most of your time, even when things don't go according to plan, and ready for anything. You're prepared for unexpected delays, changes in temperature, or simply the need to freshen up. Want to work, catch up on emails, or finalize that presentation? Or perhaps you'd rather relax and watch a movie, listen to music, or read a book, or freshen up during a layover. Feeling refreshed and ready to continue your journey? You can. All of this is possible with a well-packed carry-on. Your carry-on is your mobile base, a compact, self-contained unit that provides everything you need for a comfortable and stress-free travel experience. It's your pharmacy, containing essential medications and first aid supplies. Your office, allowing you to stay connected and productive on the go. Your entertainment, providing a welcome distraction during long flights or unexpected delays. And your wardrobe, ensuring you have a fresh change of clothes when you need it most. Pack it strategically, thinking about your needs during the flight and potential layovers, and you're prepared for the journey, not just the destination. Don't let your comfort or safety depend on a bag you can't reach. Plan ahead, pack smart, and keep your essentials close. Stay in control, stay comfortable, and enjoy a smoother, more predictable travel experience. Your carry-on is your in-flight lifeline, your key to a stress-free journey. The cargo hold is brutal on bags. Your suitcase is dropped, stacked, and exposed to freezing temperatures. Electronics aren't built for this abuse. One hard impact or extreme cold can ruin them. Batteries can die, screens can crack, and condensation can cause water damage. Even a sturdy suitcase can't protect delicate gear from the cargo hold's extremes. In the cabin, your electronics are safe, climate-controlled, and within reach. Don't risk your expensive tools on a rough ride. Keep them with you where you control their safety. The cargo hold is no place for valuables. Protect your gear, carry it on. Never check your passport, IDs, or important documents. Lose your bag, and you could be stranded, unable to board flights, check into hotels, or prove your identity. Even domestically, you need your ID to fly. Keep all essential papers, tickets, and contact info in your carry-on or on your person. These items are irreplaceable in the moment. Treat your documents like cash, never let them out of your sight. Your identity is your lifeline. Don't risk it in checked luggage. Keep it with you always. Some things can't be replaced: family jewelry, a journal, a hard drive of photos. If losing it would devastate you, it doesn't belong in a checked bag. Sentimental items are priceless, and no insurance can bring them back. Keep them in a secure pocket of your carry-on. You are the only one who can protect your memories. Don't trust a baggage system with your heart. Peace of mind comes from knowing your treasures are safe. Keep your memories close, carry them with you. Travel is full of things you can't control: weather, delays, crowds. But your carry-on is your sphere of control. Everything inside is under your supervision, from home to hotel. Checked bags go through dozens of hands and machines, so much can go wrong. Your carry-on's journey is simple: your shoulder, security, overhead bin, and back. If plans change, you're agile, no waiting for lost luggage. Traveling with valuables in your carry-on is self-reliance. It's about reducing problems and simplifying your trip. The more you control, the less you worry. Think insurance will save you? Think again. Most travel insurance has low limits for valuables and strict exclusions for checked bags. Electronics, jewelry, and cash are often only covered if kept in your carry-on. Claims require receipts, reports, and months of paperwork with no guarantee of payout. Insurance is for true emergencies, not poor packing choices. Don't rely on a payout that may never come. Prevention is the best policy. Keep valuables with you. Don't gamble with your gear and expect insurance to bail you out. Protect yourself by packing smart. That's real security. The best reason to keep valuables with you? Peace of mind. Travel is stressful enough. Don't add worry about lost or stolen bags. When your essentials are with you, that anxiety disappears. You can relax, enjoy the journey, and move freely. No tense waits at the carousel, no nagging doubts. You're efficient, calm, and in control. Travel is about freedom, not fear. Give yourself the gift of peace of mind. Carry your valuables. 10 reasons. 1 rule: valuables never go in the cargo hold. The risks are real, but the solution is simple. Keep them close, stay organized, and travel smart. Here's your carry-on checklist: passport and IDs, cash and cards, electronics and chargers, medications, keys, jewelry, and anything sentimental. If it's expensive or irreplaceable, it flies with you. Bonus tips: use packing cubes, always pack a power bank, and bring a reusable water bottle. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more smart travel advice. Subscribe for more adventures. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.